One of my favorite topics was actually the pediatric development topic, because I started working on pediatric formulation development some 2 years ago. My name is Dora Viske. I'm a principal scientist at Celgene Corporation Analytical Development. The clinically relevant dissolution is always a hot topic ever since I go to conferences the last maybe 10 years. That was really important to me.
I talked about approaches and how to establish and what the challenges are with clinically relevant dissolution specifications. I've been working on that topic for a couple of years, I think, within Merck, and what really gets me excited about it is that dissolution is one of those tests where we look at how the dosage form dissolves in the laboratory. But we don't really know per se whether that has an impact on how it works in patients. In theory it should, but this specific topic of clinically relevant dissolution specification explores exactly that relationship between the tests that we're doing in the laboratory and how it could potentially affect our patients.
Analytical method validation, I mean, it's the one opportunity that you get to really focus on one topic and really go deep into it. And analytical method validation is at the center of what analytical chemistry is in the pharmaceutical industry.
When it comes to combination project, and because when you are working with more than one API and putting them together and setting a control strategy could be pretty challenging. And the session that I moderated was specifically for having multiple combination drugs as one dosage form, and what are the challenges that we face when we have the combination projects, and how we have to look into those challenges and change our control strategies to serve the whole drug product life cycle. So it's a huge part of the drug development process, as we are getting to have one dosage form for multiple combinations. That is a huge part of the drug development process.
More and more today, innovator companies are working with CROs and CMOs. And I think it used to be when they did, it was more that the innovator told the contract lab what to do, and they simply executed. Now it's much more of a partnership. And with any partnership, you have growing pains. You have to learn how to work with each other, learn what the priorities are, what the rules are, etc. And I think it helps to really talk about the experiences that folks have had in the past, as well as basically look at things that have worked well in their relationships with contract labs and innovator companies, and things that perhaps they've learned from the past that they can use to do things better in the future. And that will help build much more efficient relationships, and that in turn will lead us to developing drugs and bringing them to market sooner.